Looking out my window, I can hear the wind blow. I've been quiet for too long. Watching from the sidelines, all these thoughts on my mind. I hide them cause what if I'm wrong? There's a firestorm in my head, so much that I never said. How long can you hold your breath? They say people have the power, so why do I feel so powerless? Up a mountain, standing at the bottom. I wish I didn't feel so small. The peak is in the clouds, there are signs all around saying if you climb you might fall. There's a firestorm in my head, I'm holding on to the ledge. Tell myself don't look down. Where is everybody when I need somebody? Am I really on my own? Starts with one. Every day you come along, every heartbreak makes you stronger, holding out a little longer. Another soldier has to fall, another senseless wake-up call, a solar flare inside the sun. Every moment starts with one. 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 Oh, starts with one. Starts with one.